If you are looking at immigrating to the US legally, this is a video for you. The US Department of State just rolled out the diversity visa, popularly known as the US visa lottery. This immigration route was rolled out on the 2nd of October 2024, and it will run till the 5th of November 2024. I'm going to show you how to apply for the diversity lottery program. If you just found this video, my name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. I make travel related videos, immigration and visa processing from time to time. If today is the first time here, welcome on board. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm going to quickly breeze through the requirements to apply for the DV lottery program. The first thing is your name, your date of birth, the digital photo. You can check the photo requirements before you apply. Your educational details and work experience details. If you do, note that the minimum is high school. If you have a secondary school certificate, that will suffice. It's okay. And if you have 2 years vocational training or 2 years work experience, that is fine as well. And you also need to present your marital details. If you're married, single, divorced, or widowed, whatever the case is. These are basically the information you need to apply. How do you apply? Kindly visit the website. The website address is dvprogram.state.gov. I'm going to put it on the screen, but I'm going to take it again. dvprogram.state.gov. That is the website to apply for the diversity visa. It's an immigration route that allows you to travel to the US legally. Okay, after you must have submitted your application. If you are successful, they don't send you any email. You would have to log in with your confirmation number and your date of birth to check if your entry was selected. If your entry is selected, then they send you an email on what is the next step to take. Basically, you are going to go there with your qualification, that is your documentation, to show that you are the true applicants that won the entry process. So after you must have submitted your documentation, they verify this documentation. If everything checks out, then they send you the list of hospitals where you have to do your medicals. After you have these medicals, then you fill an online visa application form, which is the DS-260. That is the online immigrant visa application form. You fill this online visa application form and you apply for an immigrant visa. If you are successful, the US consulate will do your visa stamping. You get an immigrant visa on your passport. Then you travel to the you travel with the immigrant visa to the US. After you must have completed your landing, then you apply for your social security, and in few months you can get your green card. That is the information I have for you today. If you find this video useful, please don't hesitate to like my video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye.